Hey guys, Bublue sent me this Bubot robotic pool vacuum so I can check it out and create this video. I want to show you how unique and innovative this vacuum is. And then I'm gonna stick it in the large backyard pool and show you how well this thing works. But before we do that, I wanted to run through some of the features. Now the first thing you're gonna notice about this, it's very tough and rugged. You can see down here, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 huge roller brushes. These are going to operate in a tank-like manner in order to climb up the sides of your pool. It's powered by a strong 150-watt motor that's going to suck up all the dirt and debris and create that perfect suction. You can also see there's a vent here on top. Now to operate this thing, it's real easy. You're simply going to plug in over here and then to the remote control over here. Then plug it into an outlet and you're ready to go. You don't have to worry about charging or battery life. You're going to get unlimited use with this power connectivity. Now, once it's connected to power, you're simply going to press over here. You can see it turns on right away. Now, up here is the mode where you can control where the vacuum goes. You can have it just go on the floor of your pool, just up the walls, or both. Down here is where you're going to set the time, either 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours. You can also download their app where you're able to do the same controls on mode and duration. You also have a button here where you're going to press and it's going to return it back to the water line for you to grab it. Now up here's where you're going to find the filters. It's got not just one, but 2 filters. So once you're done vacuuming the pool, you're simply going to take this out and clean it with a hose. The ultra-fine filtration system here is going to suck up all the sand, hair, and dirt from the bottom of your pool. Okay, now let's take it outside and stick it in the pool and see how this thing works. Now you can see here as this tank-like robot vacuum cruises along the bottom of the pool, how well it sucks up all the sand, leaves, and debris. That's because of that super strong 150-watt motor. It also climbs up the side of the pool with ease. That has to do with the tank-style tracks. And once again, that super strong motor, allowing it to climb, clean, do its job effortlessly and with ease. Easy to control with the remote control or with the app. It's even got ultrasonic sensors that's going to allow it to detect obstacles and auto-adjust its path so it can continue cleaning uninterrupted and efficiently. So it's high quality, it's made out of this tough and durable UV-resistant material, works great, and I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants a robot pool vacuum.